Hey Hyatt Zilara fans, today I want to give you a quick update on the brand new Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya that is going to be opening up. Well, we're not really sure when it's going to be opening up. Could be this fall, could be next spring. My fingers are crossed for this fall though. And if you don't know, this is going to be located on the old Secrets Capri property. So they're redoing that right now, and we've got some initial renderings, which are basically illustrations. You'll recall in the past when we took a look at the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun, that those renderings ended up being very accurate. So the renderings that we have are only of the rooms, but it does give you a bit of insight into what they're doing with the resort and what kind of changes they're making. So as you'll recall, Secrets Capri was very sort of Mediterranean style, kind of had that hacienda feel to it, very warm colors, stuff like that, with wrought iron balconies. As you can see here, it looks like they're keeping that look on the exterior. The interior has been modernized, and I don't know about you guys, let me know if you like this style or not, but I really love those benches that they've got where you've got a firm place to sit and relax. In my opinion, there really is nothing worse than sitting down into a sloppy, saggy chair, and that's the only place that you've got to relax inside the room. Now you can see here on this rendering of the bathroom that they are going with that optional open concept bathroom. Now, if you ever check out my community page, you'll notice that one of the posts that I did this week was about open concept bathrooms, and overwhelmingly everyone really didn't like this idea. Have a door, but have the door be able to be closed so you have privacy, especially if you're sharing with a girlfriend or a relative or something like that, and you're sharing a room for cost savings, but you're not really wanting to share everything with them. So as you can see here, right where the shower is, there is that sliding door that would close, as well as a sliding door for the main bathroom. So this is a very similar style to what they used at the Hyatt Ziva Cancun, Hyatt Zilara Cap, and also the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun. So unfortunately, we don't know a whole lot more about this wonderful resort, but I know we're all super excited. So I wanted to share these renderings with you because they just came out, and I know we're all excited for any little piece or morsel of information that we can get. If you have been to any of the nearby resorts, the Hyatt Ziva Cancun, the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun, and you've asked about this, please let me know in the comments down below if they've said anything or given you any indication of when they were going to be opening. The last time I was there was December, and some of the staff thought maybe in the spring, but it's April now. Probably something in the fall is likely what we'll see, October, November time. At least, like I say, my fingers are crossed for that because I'm really excited to see this resort. I was really blown away with Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun. The level of service that they expected the staff to provide, the level of food and beverage that they were creating, and just their internal passion about it, from the chef to the mixologists. Jose, you know, I'm talking about you. I mean, there's just such a passion there that you know it's a recipe for success, and I don't see them doing anything different at all for Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. So really excited to see that open. So stay tuned for more details and more updates. If you hear anything more about this resort, please jot it down in the comments below. I'd love to get a conversation started about this resort, and super excited for it to open. So that's what I have for now for you folks. Before you go, check out my last review here on the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun. It was there in September and December, and this is a great review of this fabulous resort. So check it out. See you on the next one.